They're off for the fourth running of the Mouttet mile. Tis Talk misses it with Fun Can't Done. Digital One took off fast. There goes Legacy Isle now with a kick, and Legacy Isle is the one that leads them past the 7. Pack Plays racing down in second as they make their way toward the 6. Legacy Isle tugging hard. Pack Plays right alongside as they charge away toward the 6. Dothraki, as they leave the 6, now makes progress. Rideallday in behind them with a Digital One and a Main Mistress. Supernatural Power is asked to make some ground. Fun Can't Done and Mojito race up almost as a team. Garvano on the outside of a Nautical Star. Unspun is next. Then Tis Talk, Champion Bubbler, and Sensational Soul brings up the rear as they charge past the half mile and run away now toward the 3 furlong. Legacy Isle on that lead by 2 lengths. Pack Plays in chase and under the pump. Rideallday is there. Supernatural Power races back and forth as the field strings out. Digital One just in front of Mojito. In behind them, that's a Fun Can't Done asked to make ground. Watch Nautical Star now. Set a light on the outside, but they're coming into the lane. It is the Legacy Isle. Has he escaped them in the Mouttet mile? Pack Plays continues to pursue over against the rail. Here is Rideallday now kicking in, but Legacy Isle drifting off a true line but still holding that lead. Rideallday is there. In behind them, Pack Plays. They race past the furlong pole. Legacy Isle and Rideallday in a battle, and Rideallday now snatches the lead inside the final 16th. It is Rideallday and Javier Castellano making short work of the field. They win by almost double digits. Legacy Isle and Fun Can't Done come next. Could be Supernatural Power out wide of Digital One.